What is the one thing that you'd like to change about yourself, but it's not changing?
I think मेरी main problem is I lack motivation, and that translates into real life in terms of मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है, but फिर भी I don't start.
Reason?
I don't know. Reason पता होता तो मैं solution ही निकाल लेती, but I don't know.
I think
Getting started. I think there's a fear of failure क्योंकि in my life I haven't really experienced failure much.
But you know,
it's
it's
very
the
important.
truth. Once the fear of failure is out of your system, I swear the kind of person you become, it's fearless. Like you can achieve anything, and at this point also, after trying so many things and doing so many things, I still think there's a lot of fear of failure. But once you overcome it ना, once mentality ऐसी हो जाती है कि you don't care about it at all, and you don't look at failure as failure. The fact that we think that there's a failure is a failure. But when you see differently, you become a fearless person, and I think it takes a lot to go there, at least, especially for people of our age. It takes forever, and after a point of time, I'm sure you don't want to fail at all if you're in your 50s or 55, because meaning of life completely changes, and you don't want to keep on trying forever, right? But I think we're way far from that. What is the one learning about life that you want to imbibe, or you really, really, truly believe in? The truth of life.
Truth of life.
Like for me at this point, I already mentioned the saying that you have to make a choice and make it right is the absolute truth of life. There's nothing called a good choice or a bad choice. There are always choices. It makes you the kind of person you are, and you have to be strong enough, or you need to become strong enough to make it right. That is the truth of life.
I think for me it would be कि good things happen to bad people, bad things happen to good people. It's okay to feel sad and all, but don't get consumed by it. Sulk करो थोड़े time, फिर move on.
I have another truth of life. The day you'll realize that life is unfair and it is how it is, that very day you'll be free from most of the complaints towards life. I think you'll be a much happier person. And I truly feel constant comparisons, if you're more talented, doesn't mean that you'll be more successful than somebody, or life is not meant to be fair. It can never be fair. It is just how it is. And I think comparison is the worst thing that you can do to yourself as a person.
Comparison is the thief of joy.
Exactly. And if you are in that loop of constantly comparing yourself with your peers, acquaintances throughout your life, happiness would be too far from you. And happiness is actually, the true happiness that we talk about in life is mostly a state of calmness inside. I don't think it's ha he he. That's humor. But happiness is a
satisfaction.
It's peace of mind. Yeah.
थोड़ा healthy competition होना चाहिए mentally, but
you should never look at yourself and think of yourself as less than somebody, but at the same time you should try to imbibe things from other people.
Use competition as a source of motivation.
I think the worst form of comparison, healthy or non-healthy, especially for girls and women, is the physical attributions. It's the worst. It has no point. It has no end. And I think every female struggles with it, whether it's body dysmorphia, whether it's about your face, and the beauty standards are so high, and it gives you a sense of happiness to feel pretty in whatever capacity. But the day you'll understand that you are unique and you have to make the best out of yourself, I think you'll win most.
But that's something that you have to learn over a period of time.
Yeah, it doesn't come to you as a child. It doesn't. But I hope it comes naturally to everybody soon enough. I'm not there yet. But I think at least understanding this is the first step. And I'm quite there yet when it comes to body. I think I wanted it a certain way, but I've realized it's a race where there's no track, or and you're competing with infinite people. So the day you realize you have a body and you have to make it the fittest, and I have come to that realization, and I think I'm very happy with the body I have. I can wear anything I want, and I don't feel conscious or sad because I try to be at my fittest and I feel happy about it. And I don't look at other people and see what I'm deprived of, at least in my body.
Beauty standards also keep changing now over a period of time. They keep cycling, they keep changing. Fashion trends भी change होते रहते हैं, makeup trends भी change होते रहते हैं. Matte skin was a very big thing in the 2015 to 2017-18 era, maybe even 2020. Skinny बहुत popular होता था in the 1990s and 2000s. फिर thick bodies became a thing. We're back to Ozempic and everything.
Yeah, we're back to extreme skinny.
तो it's never sustainable नहीं होता कभी भी if you keep trying to achieve it. Look at people like Kim Kardashian.
What about her?
She's a good example because पहले natural body everybody used to say कि she's very pretty and everything.
हाँ.
फिर thick bodies वाला trend आया, she got a BBL and everything. अब now that being skinny is cool again, she's back to being very skinny. और ये सब अब वापस से thick होना अगर trend में आएगा, I'm sure she'll do it again.
Yeah.
And there's no end to this. तो
And it's highly damaging, honestly.
Imagine how damaging it's on her psyche. उसके खुद के लिए कितना difficult होगा.
And body pain is real. Like, I'm sure it's a lot.
And people go to such insane lengths to get it done. For अगर आपके लिए affordable नहीं है, you're going to some different countries without any regulations.
हाँ.
And people are dying क्योंकि regulations नहीं है.
Beauty is not worth dying, for sure.
Beauty is pain बहुत stupid concept है. Beauty should not be pain.
Yeah, I agree. And makeup shouldn't be a burden, it should be fun. I was actually quite okay with it. I still do have a lot of local makeup because earlier I couldn't afford brands, and now slowly I'm building my makeup pouch. But I still have those brands and they're equally good. I mean, you don't have to... Makeup actually feels really good, at least to me. I enjoy it. But it's never been like, oh, I can't afford Charlotte Tilbury, so I can't do makeup. Then I used to buy local makeup, and I think it should just give you happiness, not stress.
Also, it should not be a burden in the sense that आपको nakedness में uncomfortable लगे without makeup.
You shouldn't. It shouldn't be a shield.
मेरी मम्मा she always used to say पहले कि if you keep इतना makeup हमेशा अप्लाई करोगे तो you won't be okay with going out without makeup. And I used to say ये point कभी नहीं आएगा मम्मा मेरे. But I think I did reach that, almost reach that point, एक point पे. Point. क्योंकि I used to feel very weird without concealer और brow gel या फिर कुछ भी mascara के बिना. Now I'm slowly getting okay with it again. And अभी भी जो 10 किलो मेकअप लगा रखा है.
But you're so beautiful regardless. I've seen you without makeup also. Even I feel a little naked without concealer, but I think I care less at this point. I must have cared a lot before. Actually, we were in girls' school, so our journeys have been extreme till 12th. I don't think we cared about anything. And then suddenly we started caring about a lot of things, but I think now wisdom is seeping in, so we care less again. One thing that you're most grateful about in your life, like most grateful about.
सर बढ़ गया. ये मैं कैसे express करूँ? Because I know what I'm grateful about, but I don't know how to express it. Putting one thing as number one is quite difficult for me. There are a few things that I'm very grateful for. 3. My mother. She's a very strong person.
And a role model. That is true.
Aunties won't actually say much more.
Yeah. Bas?
नहीं, won't say much more about
this topic.
हाँ, ये वाला.
I'll add one more thing. I think auntie, her journey and her personality is something that you can take a lot of learnings from it. Won't say much more about this.
Second, I think would be, मैं कैसे explain करूँ? I don't understand, but ever since I was a kid, I always had this intense inclination towards reading. Curiosity बहुत होती थी, and my parents were always very encouraging towards me reading.
But reading is a good habit. Who would say no?
नहीं मतलब बुक्स वगैरह दिलाना, मैं जिद कर रही हूँ,
Oh.
बहुत सारी बुक्स दिलाना.
Oh,
काफी पेरेंट्स
you all used to read a lot. They were very supportive.
ये हैबिट मेरी चली तो गई है वैसे.
Number 3. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
आई थिंक हाई स्कूल ड्रामा, मिडिल स्कूल ड्रामा वगैरह बहुत लोगों की लाइफ में बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट रहता है स्कूल लाइफ में. आई वॉज नेवर इन्वॉल्व इन स्कूल ड्रामा. मैं बाहर से देखती थी, फन आता था गॉसिप करने में कि ये हुआ वो हुआ, बट आई वॉज नेवर इन्वॉल्व एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल.
Totally agree. At this point, I feel like cut the drama wherever you can. It stops you from so many things. But if you are a part of it, just learn from it and move ahead. Don't try to create drama in life. It really pulls you steps behind. Do you think my life was very dramatic?
नहीं, आई वुडंट से सो.
Ten
यू वर
में
आल्सो
से?
क्वाइट ड्रामा फ्री.
10 में से?
10 being
Most.
वेरी ड्रामा.
हाँ.
यार तेरा तो मेरे को कोई सिग्निफिकेंट ड्रामा याद ही नहीं आ रहा.
But there was a
ज़्यादा
lot of
drama नहीं था.
scope in my life for drama. But the second the drama was created, I would cut it off. And this I learned so early on in life that I am very grateful to myself. Otherwise, there were so many chances जहाँ पे crazy drama हो सकते थे. But I really cut it off. I was part of like a couple of them, but nothing damaging, I would say.
School level drama does breed a lot of insecurity, guys.
Actually-
you have no idea कितना mentally affect कर देता है लोगों को.
True. And family is the most important thing at that point of time when you come back to. So guys, battery got दोस्तों battery exhaust हो चुकी है. So I don't want to be the person who says guys a lot. I want to say दोस्तों.
Friends.
Friends,
and
battery,
family.
friends and family, battery exhaust हो चुकी है. So we're back with my phone. We just want to conclude by saying that spare yourself from high school drama. I think it can be really damaging, and you're very lucky if you have a very safe space back at home. But Indian families, especially in, I don't know, middle class or upper middle class, are unable to provide that for very valid reasons. So, and I think India as a society has now started celebrating mental health. So I hope the generations now can provide a very safe space for their children mentally. But just spare yourself for drama. You see how beautiful and easy life can be.
Also, having a good set of friends is very important
Yeah.
in terms of navigating life. Your family can only do so much. It's very important to have a good support system at home. Safety net रहता है emotionally. But at the same time, I have had the privilege of having really good friends.
And I also have one more opinion on this. I feel like even if it's friends or partner or parents or extended families, don't rely on limited people a lot. Try to find security about different things and different people. So when one person is unavailable for the right reasons or not, you don't feel lost because you have provided that safe environment for yourself. For example, sometimes people invest everything in that one person, be it your best friend, be it your partner, and when they go missing for whatever reason, I think you kind of feel lost. And everybody they have the right to build their own life or have their own problems. So much dependency on one person can really put you in a bad state.
किसी को emotional crutch मत बनाओ basically.
Yeah.
खुद में भी इतना you should have
You're just
the ability to stabilize yourself if other people are not available for a certain amount of time.
yeah.
Don't hold it within yourself, but
Or just allocate to different. Just have too many people. No, not too many
but I
people.
think it's also important to have मतलब 2-3 max लोग हैं.
That's what I'm saying. Like few people,
Hmm.
but not like one person.
Don't make one person your everything.
Because everybody has the rights to have problems in their personal life. So sometimes they might not show up, and it's only fair. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you like us giving gyan, and if you like us hearing us talk, and comment down below
Sorry.
about the topics that you want us to talk about. And I hope things made sense. We were just speaking from our heart.
और किसी को लगा कि बहुत फालतू का ज्ञान दे रहे हो तो बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है?
Somewhere
Keep it to yourself.
Keep it to yourself if you don't like anything, and if you love. Thank you guys.
Sorry.
I love beaches. It's very pretty. और ये मेरे
रोड
बहुत
नीचे क्यों
लोगों
नहीं
ने
जा
जा
रहे?
रहे? मुझे भेज दे, मैं गाइस को दिखा दूंगी। ठीक है।
I think I'd go here, but if you asked me 2 months later, maybe someplace else.